So, Messi, Ronaldo, who do you think is greater? The World Cup is on, and this is one battle that is trending right now. The fan base of Messi and the fan base of Ronaldo going head to head, trying to prove who is greater. So trust me, one way to prove that one is greater than the other is by creating content of those moments of truths where they had the best goal, the best dribble, the best assists, the best character. Lots of people are going to be engaging in this content based on this trend, and high engagement equal to high revenue for content creators like me and you. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create viral entertaining clips of Ronaldo versus Messi, and we're going to be doing this in CapCut. So if your hands are not too heavy, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so when we upload any other video like this, you'll be the first to get it. Now if you've done that, let's jump right in.
So in order to generate these high engaging highlights, we'll be using both AI generated clips plus real football clips. So we'll start by going to CapCut. In CapCut, we'll create a new project. So it's already in vertical. We import our clips by clicking on import. So I'll always advise you to start with your audio first, because starting with your audio feels like, you know, a base on which you edit your clips. We're getting our audio from the audio library. You come to your YouTube studio, you go down to audio library, click on audio library, and when you click on audio library, just you come and you search football or any sound at all that might suit your highlights. So but I'll just search football samples here, and you could just pick anyone you want and just download for me. I like this Get Tough, and I just click on download. Then we come back to our CapCut, the top sound by clicking on import, and it takes us to our download. You can see the sound here, Get Off. You click on it and you open, and it comes into your CapCut. So first we want to lay our sound, our audio. So looking at all the clips we have here, we'll also look at where we'll definitely start from. I think this is good. They're walking into the stage or walking into the stadium. So I think I'll start from here. Next, I want to bring this one. So I have that. So next, I want to look for another clip, tell my story. So the next clip I want to do is, I want to do a handshake. I pick this. This is just for me telling my story. You can do yours how you want to do it. Then I want to come to my main clip. Okay, so we're done with that. So now is to cut out from our main football clips that we're able to get. You don't need the audio of the clip. Okay, so I want from here. I also want to look for another one. Note, I'm just focusing on the places that they scored a goal, like for Messi. Places scored the goal, click on it, Control B for me to, you know, split my file. I look for another one. I just need 3 for me, and I think this one too works. Okay, I think I like this. Prefer this, so I click on it, Control V to split my clip, and split again, and I think I'm done. So now what I want to do is I want to look for clips to put in between to make it, you know, more entertaining. So I'll come here, like this clip, and I'll put it after he scored the first goal. I'll put this one next after he scored the second goal. I'll put the laughing one after he scored the last goal. So yeah, so that's for Messi. So now we'll come to Ronaldo and introducing his own clip. We put something here. He's reacting to Messi, smiling. Now we'll bring down his own clip, which is Ronaldo's clip. Remember to always cue the audio of the clip. For this, I'm going to mask this particular clip. Yeah, I think this is good. Basic. Let's turn off this audio first until we're done. Then we can bring back our audio. So let's do this one. So I like from here. Cut from here. I'll look for another one. So cut from here and cut, and we look for the third one. We want it to be a close-up shot. So let's from here. Okay, so we'll go from here. So we have 3 clips for Ronaldo. So we get reaction clip. So after the first goal, we want to use this. Then after the second goal clip, we want to use which one are we gonna use? So let's use this. For the last goal, we want to use this clip. And after that, we want to come here and look for Messi reacting to it. So I want to reduce my background sound a little bit. I feel it's too loud. So click on it, come to volume and bring down the sound. You can come here, click on our audio clip and Ctrl B to cut, to split it, delete this one that we don't want. So at the end, I want to add like sound effects. So go to audio, go to sound effects, and let's look for its cinematic hit. And I think let's use this. So you come here, increase it. So next, in order to give this clip more life, we would add like crowd cheering. From the sound effects, type crowd cheering. So I think like this, reduce it a little bit. So we want it to die at this point. So we click on it to come and we add a fade out to the sound. Okay. We drop the copy and paste, make it, I'll add like a fade out. So the sound fades out. I think at this point we'll cut this. So after the hit, it changes, and so this works. So let's watch from the beginning again to see how it feels like.
Yeah.
When you're done, you could just come up here, click export, put it on any format you want to put it on, and you can see resolution, choose the resolution you want to make it a bit rate higher and all of that, but make sure that the frame rate is just that between 30 to 24, and that will be good, and all other things is good. We don't need audio, so just make sure this video is ticked and make sure the audio is not ticked so it doesn't render an audio file for you, and you just change the name to anything you want and hit export, and your file is exporting. Voila.
Now with this knowledge, let the battle begin. Please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so when any other video is being dropped here, you will be notified. Now don't forget to join our creative community by just clicking on the link in the description of this video. See you in the next.